Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering your 2026 FIFA World Cup betting strategy, as we dive into the biggest tournament in football history, with 48 teams battling it out across 3 host nations in North America. There's never been a better time to sharpen your edge and turn knowledge into profit. The 2026 World Cup kicks off on June 11th and runs through July 19th, featuring a record 104 matches spread across 16 venues in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. This expanded format changes everything for bettors, creating more opportunities, more value, and more ways to capitalize if you approach it with the right mindset and research. Let's start with the fundamentals of the new structure, because understanding how the tournament unfolds is the foundation of any winning strategy. For the first time, we're seeing 12 groups of 4 teams each. Every side plays 3 group stage matches in a round-robin format. The top 2 teams from each group advance automatically to the round of 32, and then the 8 best third-place teams join them, making 32 teams in the knockout stages. This means more teams have a realistic shot at progressing further than in previous tournaments, which opens up massive value in qualification markets and group betting. No longer do you have to worry about just the top 2. Those third place finishes can be gold mines if you identify groups with balanced competition or teams that perform well under pressure but might drop points early. The expanded knockout bracket means teams that advance will face an 8-match marathon to lift the trophy, testing depth, squad rotation, recovery, and adaptability like never before. Travel across time zones and climates from humid Miami to high-altitude venues or indoor stadiums will play a huge role. Smart bettors factor in fixture congestion, recovery time between matches, and home advantage for the hosts. Mexico, the United States, and Canada all benefit from familiar conditions and passionate crowds, which can influence not just outright results, but also player props and total goals markets. Now, when it comes to outright winner betting, the market is as competitive as ever. Spain enters as one of the favourites around plus 450, riding high on their recent European success, and a squad packed with technical brilliance, from players like Rodri and the exciting young talent Lamine Yamal. France sits right there with them at similar odds, boasting incredible depth and stars like Kylian Mbappe, who can single-handedly change games. England, Brazil, Portugal, Argentina, and Germany round out the top tier, but the value often lies just outside the absolute favourites. Betting early on futures is crucial because public money floods in on big names, shortening odds quickly. Look for teams with favourable paths through the bracket, or those undervalued due to recent form dips that don't reflect their true potential in a tournament setting. One proven strategy is to map out realistic paths for your chosen teams. Study the potential round of 32, round of 16, and quarter-final matchups based on group odds. A team like the Netherlands might have a smoother route if they top their group, avoiding early clashes with powerhouses. Similarly, analyse how the best third-place teams shake out. Groups with 3 strong sides and 1 weaker one often produce high-quality third-place teams that can cause upsets later. This knowledge helps you bet on progression markets, like reaching the quarterfinals or semi-finals, where the payout is solid without needing to pick the ultimate champion. Group betting offers some of the richest value in the entire tournament. With 12 groups, there are dozens of markets for group winners, top 2 finishers, or even exact placements. Take Group A, featuring hosts Mexico against South Africa, South Korea, and Czechia. Mexico is heavily favoured to top the group, thanks to home support and familiarity. But South Korea could challenge strongly. Betting on Mexico to win the group or South Korea to qualify provides balanced risk-reward. In other groups, like those with Argentina or France, the favourites are short, but backing them to qualify is often a safer, high-probability play, with better implied value over time. Always compare odds across bookmakers for these, as small differences add up over multiple bets. A key tactic is fading the public on overhyped nations. England, Brazil, and Argentina attract massive betting volume, which distorts their prices. This creates opportunities on the other side or unrelated props. For instance, while everyone piles on the big 3 for deep runs, Look at mid-tier European sides, or African powerhouses like Senegal or Morocco that have shown they can punch above their weight. Historical data from past World Cups shows that underdogs who qualify from tough groups often perform admirably in knockouts due to momentum and lower expectations. Live betting is where the real money can be made during the 2026 World Cup. With more matches than ever, you'll have constant action. Watch for in-play dynamics like early goals changing team approaches, substitutions impacting flow, or weather and pitch conditions. The new format includes more potential for draws in group stages as teams manage risk, especially on matchday 3 when permutations matter. Overs in goals can hit in open games between attacking sides, while unders thrive in cautious knockout encounters. Track expected goal statistics, possession and shots on target in real time to spot value before the lines adjust fully. Many books offer cash out options, allowing you to secure profits or cut losses mid-match, but discipline here prevents emotional decisions. Player props and special markets elevate your strategy beyond team results. Golden Boot betting targets top scorers like Mbappe, Erling Haaland with Norway, or Harry Kane. Factor in minutes played, group difficulty, and a team style. A forward on a team expected to dominate and advance far has more opportunities. Similarly, anytime goal scorer markets in specific matches reward sharp analysis of matchups. Avoid chasing long shots blindly. Instead, build accumulators with correlated bets, like a team to win and over 2.5 goals in games where both sides play openly. Bankroll management cannot be overstated. Treat your World Cup betting as a marathon. Set aside a dedicated fund, perhaps 1 to 5% per bet depending on confidence, and never chase losses. With 104 matches, variance is high, so focus on long-term positive expected value rather than short-term swings. Track your bets meticulously, reviewing what worked and what didn't after the group stage to refine for knockouts. Responsible gambling means setting limits and enjoying the spectacle, not relying on wins for entertainment. Travel and venue specifics add another layer. Matches in high-altitude Mexico City or hot, humid southern U.S. venues favour teams acclimated or with superior fitness. Indoor stadiums neutralise weather, leading to higher tempo games. Hosts benefit from shorter travel and crowd energy, making the United States, Mexico and Canada interesting outright long shots or strong group performers. Mexico opening the tournament against South Africa at Estadio Azteca sets a passionate tone that could carry them deep. Diving deeper into data-driven approaches, study historical World Cup trends adapted to the new format. Group stage games average around 2.5 to 2.8 goals, with unders hitting frequently in early matches as teams feel each other out. Draws are common in balanced fixtures, offering value at plus money. In knockouts, extra time and penalties increase the drama, so markets on matches going to extra time or specific correct scores can pay handsomely for prepared bettors. Use advanced metrics like XG, defensive solidity, and set-piece efficiency to identify edges that casual fans miss. For futures beyond the winner, consider stage of elimination, top goal scorer per team, or player of the tournament. These often have softer lines early on. A team like Portugal at longer odds to win it all might be undervalued given their experience and talent pool. Norway with Haaland represents explosive potential if they navigate their group. Always cross-reference multiple sources for team news, injuries and managerial tactics as the tournament nears and during it. Hedging is a sophisticated tool in your arsenal. If you have a strong futures position on France to win the cup, you might hedge with opposing bets in later stages or specific matches to lock in profit regardless of outcome. This reduces risk in a volatile event. Asian handicaps and double chance markets provide safety nets for group games where upsets loom. For example, backing a favourite with a -1 handicap in mismatches or using draw no bet to eliminate the stalemate risk. Understanding bookmaker margins and shopping lines is non-negotiable. Different sportsbooks excel in different markets. One might offer better group winner odds, another superior player props. Use multiple accounts legally to maximize value. Promos, bonuses, and enhanced odds during the World Cup can boost returns, but read terms carefully to avoid pitfalls. As the group stage progresses, adjust your strategy dynamically. Early results reveal form, motivation, and tactical setups. Teams that rotate heavily or rest stars in dead rubbers affect later betting. The best third place qualification race will be fascinating, with tiebreakers on goal difference, goals scored, and fair play points creating unpredictable outcomes ripe for value. In the knockout rounds, experience and mentality shine. Past champions and semi-finalists often outperform expectations here. Focus on teams with strong bench depth for the grueling schedule. Live betting on corners, cards and substitutions offers frequent edges as patterns emerge. High-pressing teams tire late, leading to over goals or late drama. To build a complete portfolio, mix outrights with group bets, match specifics and props. Aim for a diversified approach. 40% on futures for big payouts, 30% on group stage for volume, 20% live, and 10% on specials. Review after every match day, staying disciplined. The 2026 World Cup promises drama, with underdogs capable of shocking the world in this expanded field. Hosts add unpredictability and passion. By combining deep research, statistical awareness, venue knowledge, and strict money management, you position yourself to profit while enjoying one of sport's greatest events. Remember, no strategy guarantees wins, but informed betting minimises losses and maximises enjoyment. Stay updated on team camps, friendlies, and injury reports in the lead-up. Analyse past performances in similar conditions. Build models or use reputable stats sites for XG trends, head-to-heads, and form. For group-specific insights, consider how powerhouses like Brazil in their group might cruise, creating value on exact placings or opponent props. Weaker groups produce more goals, while death groups yield tense, low-scoring affairs ideal for unders or draw bets. Player markets extend to assists, cards received, or shots on target. Creative midfielders on attacking teams offer consistent value. Young talents often emerge as tournament stars, boosting long-shot player awards. Psychological factors matter too. Pressure on favourites can lead to conservative play, while underdogs thrive with freedom. Home crowds for hosts amplify this. As we approach kickoff, lines will fluctuate wildly. Lock in early value on futures and monitor for adjustments post-draw reactions or warm-up games. The opening match between Mexico and South Africa sets the tone, likely featuring high emotion and potential goals. Throughout the tournament, maintain a journal of bets, reasons, and outcomes. This iterative learning turns one-off success into repeatable profitability. Network with fellow bettors or follow sharp analysts, but always verify independently. In summary, the 2026 FIFA World Cup betting landscape rewards preparation, adaptability, and patience. With more games, more markets, and greater variance comes greater opportunity. Embrace the expanded format's nuances, respect the data, manage risk wisely, and let the beautiful game deliver both excitement and rewards. Whether you're a seasoned punter or new to World Cup wagering, this guide equips you to navigate it successfully. Enjoy the tournament, bet responsibly, and may your strategies lead to memorable victories both on and off the pitch. The stage is set for history, and with the right approach, you can be part of the winning story.